all matter around us is made up of tiny particles called atoms. The atom is considered the basic unit of matter. Iron, oil, air, plants, and animals are all made up of one or more kinds of atoms. Since atoms are too small to be seen, we have to represent them using a model. An atom is represented by a colored ball. Here, the oxygen atom is represented in red and the carbon atom in black. Some of these atoms combine to form molecules. For example, 2 oxygen atoms combine with a carbon atom to form carbon dioxide molecule. It's also known as CO2. A molecule is therefore made up of at least 2 atoms that are chemically bonded together. To distinguish between atoms and molecules, the periodic table can be used. It contains all kinds of atoms. For example, it includes hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, and aluminum. However, the water molecule H2O and the methane molecule CH4 are not included because they are combinations of several atoms. An atom can also be distinguished from a molecule by the chemical formula. If there is a subscript to the right of the chemical symbol, it means that several atoms of that kind are bonded. In fact, in a hydrogen molecule, H2, the subscript 2 indicates that there are 2 hydrogen atoms bonded together. It is therefore a molecule. Also, a chemical symbol for an atom always contains a single capital letter. If there are several capital letters in a chemical formula, there are several kinds of atoms. For example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, contains a chemical symbol for hydrogen, H, and a chemical symbol for chlorine, Cl. HCl is therefore a molecule. On the other hand, He is the symbol for helium. It has no subscripts and it contains a single capital letter. Helium is therefore an atom. Some molecules are small, like water. It consists of 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms, so 3 atoms in total. Other molecules are larger, such as oleic acid. It's a fatty acid that is part of our cells. It consists of 18 carbon atoms, 34 hydrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen atoms, for a total of 54 atoms. But no matter how big the molecule is, it's always made of atoms.